There's a word that is given as Indian, in which we have to find how many of the arrangement in which two ends are together. So we will take this 2n together. I will make it as equal to 1. And then we are having I, D, I, A. So these four words distinct numbers. Now what we can do, we can add these two values and you will get the value as 5. This is the 5 distinct numbers that we have. So you will, if I want to find the number of ways, I will write it as equal to 5 factorial by 2 factorial. This 2 factorial is nothing but for the two i's that we have, and for the two ends you will write it as equal to 2 factorial by 2 factorial, and you will get the answer as 5 4 3, and then you will get 5 4s are 20, 23s are 60. So the 60 number of ways that you will find when two ends are together. If I am saying that if two ends are not together, so what you'll do, first you will find the total number of arrangement in which we don't have any possibilities or we don't have any constraints that we have. So firstly we will count the numbers. So we will write 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we will write 6 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial, and you will get the answer as 6 5 4 3 and divide it with 2. So 2 can cancel this value. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 36 are 180. So this is the total number of cases that you will get in which no condition is applied. If I want to find number of ways in which two ends are not together, so we will write it as equal to 180 minus of 60, that is equal to 120. Now this condition can also be found with the same concept, but here we are writing I, D, I, A, and in between that we have to place all the n. So we are having 1 2 3 4 and 5. 5 places are there. So out of 5 places we have to do the permutation for 2 places, and since the two ends are always identical, so we will divide it with 2 factorial. Now in the second case that we are having as since there are 4 letters that we have, that is given as IDIA, so we will write 4 factorial by 2 factorial. So we'll solve this one. You will get the value as 5 factorial by 3 factorial, and here you will write the value as 2 factorial into 3 factorial. Can cancel this one. 4 2 and 2 will get cancelled. You will get the value as 120. So either you are getting the answer from this side or you are getting the answer from this concept. You will always get the answer as the same answer.